This video is a basic run-through of the Opendoor software for the reception. Firstly, you will need to open the software and log in using the reception username. Once logged in, you should be directly placed on the check-in page. This is where you'll manage your rooms for checking in and out. As you can see, the rooms have houses for icons and are coloured for their status. To check in a guest, simply double-click on a vacant room. On this window, you will have the option to type in the guest name, check-in date and check-out date. When issuing the card, you will simply need to place a card on the encoder to be cut. The encoder will then beep to signal that the card has been encoded. If the guest requires multiple cards for the room, you will find that on the right side of the window there is the option to put how many guest cards you would like to cut. For a group check-in, you will need to tick the option at the top of the check-in screen. After this, you will simply need to click on however many rooms you're checking in, followed by Issue Guest Card. Again, on this window, you can fill in the main guest name, check-in date and check-out date. Once again, you can choose how many cards you would like for each room on the right side of the window. Once you click Issue, you will then need to place a card on the encoder for each room. To check out a guest, all you need to do is simply place their room card on the encoder. Click Clear on the left-hand side, clear the card, and this will check out the room for you. If you do not have the card to check out the room, click on the room so that there is a red box outlining the room, right-click and click Check Out Without Card.